How to integrate LiveChat with ActiveCampaign. Use this opportunity to create a targeted campaign for customers who chatted with you on LiveChat. 1. Click here to install ActiveCampaign app on your LiveChat account. 2. After successful installation, you will be taken to ActiveCampaign app screen. Here you will be able to configure integration. To do that, we will need the following data from your ActiveCampaign account: API URL, API key, list ID. Keep this tab open. It'll be easier for you to paste the data that we will collect in the next few steps. 3. Now, log into your ActiveCampaign account. There, hover your mouse over your profile picture and click on My Settings. 4. From the list of available settings, choose Developer. 5. Copy your URL and API key. 6. Now, go to the list section of your ActiveCampaign and choose a list to which you want to assign new emails. 7. Copy list ID from the page URL. 8. To finalize the configuration, paste the API URL, API key, and list ID to the ActiveCampaign app screen and click on Save Changes. 9. All that is left is to configure your pre-chat survey. To do that, go to the pre-chat survey settings in LiveChat and add email with confirmation field. 10. To confirm, click on Save Changes. Done. Now your ActiveCampaign is connected with LiveChat, and every time your visitor will mark the email with confirmation option, new email will be added to your ActiveCampaign list.